Hello everyone. So since last couple of weeks we have been doing a lot of breathing exercises to clean our respiratory system. But the water plays the equal role. So today we are going to learn how we can use water to cleanse our respiratory system as well. Whatever we are going to try, please don't try this without getting some guidance from somebody who has been doing it from quite some time. You need to be very careful. But if you are not careful in this Jal Kriya water exercises, we might get water into the ears or into the sinuses, and then it might bring some side effects. Goal here is to cleanse our throat and then the nose system. So we should do some preparation first. So a night before you want to try the Jal Kriya, what you should do is take a little bit of ghee, which is clarified butter. If the cow ghee is there, that's much better. So you take that 1 or 2 spoon, make it warm. It should be like lukewarm, that which should be like comfortable for our nose, and put like 5 to 6 drops in one nose and then 5 to 6 drops in the other nose. And then once when you are going to wake up in the morning, you will find that your nose is really soft. So that is step number one, to to loosen our to loosen our nose. Step number two, when you wake up, take at least 1 to 2 liters of water, and then take 1 to 2 of this large cardamom. You can easily find this in the Indian grocery store. Put it in the water. When the water is boiling, put a little bit of salt there, but very less salt, 1 or 2 pinches of the salt in 1 to 2 liters of the water. Bring it to the boil, and then let it cool down. Once it's lukewarm, once it's like comfortable on your skin, at that time you take water, and then take water in something like this. This is called Neti pod. You can get it in various varieties, like they come in the plastic also or the metal. Um, Whatever way you get it, try to grab it from Amazon or any other sources. So first thing we do is with the water is to make sure the water is clean, right? If you did put the large cardamom here, you make sure you drained it really well from the water, and then do the gargling, right? Do lots of rounds of the gargling with the warm water. That will make you feel comfortable. So once you do a lot of gargling, the next step is to clean our nose. So how you do this is, you make sure you sit in this posture. And when you sit in this posture, you hold this pot in the right hand, and then you hold in the right hand. Make sure you keep it straight, and make sure water is at least more than half in the pot, because if the water is less, it's not gonna work fully. So you put this in the one nose, but then make sure your sitting posture is straight. If you bend further or back or side, then you might get water into the other areas there. So put the water slowly here, and then since water is gonna come out from this nose or from the mouth, you keep your hand here so you don't want to make yourself wet. So slowly open your mouth and let the water go. So after you remove this from the nose, make sure you blow this nose really hard. So one side of the nose is clean. When we were doing the Jal Kriya, we were keeping the mouth open, and then we were breathing from the mouth very slowly. From the mouth, and then on the another side of the nose we were breathing very slowly. So make sure you keep sitting straight. If you bend further, it will not work. Now you hold the part the other side. You're gonna put the other nose, and then do the other side. once you are done with both the sides couple times, after that you want to make sure there is no water stuck in your nose. So blow them really hard, both stand up, and then